What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jamera-Lee, and if you guys are new here, my channel is all about helping you either start or grow your e-commerce marketing agency or your own e-commerce store. And for those of you who have been subscribed to me, or for those of you who are just finding me through this video, welcome. I appreciate you clicking on this video. I actually run my own e-commerce marketing agency as well as my own e-commerce store by the name of ColorLux, which is exactly why my channel is all about helping you by giving you strategies and tips on how to actually build, start, and grow your online business. So if you guys like the sound of that, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel here presented to you on this screen. Also, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, as well as hitting that notification bell so that you guys are notified of each and every time that I post. So, you know, you guys are always able to view my videos. However, as you guys can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be actually briefly showing you, I don't want to make this video too long, but I want to briefly show you how I was able to create my own ebook, as well as, you know, the programs that I used and how you guys can go about creating your own digital product, whether it's an ebook or something else. Within this video specifically, I'm going to show you like ebook, so that you guys are able to see that. Now, I'm going to just jump right in. Now, the first thing that you want to do is obviously you want to know what you guys are going to create. Now, I can't do that for you guys. However, whenever you find out whatever ebook you're going to be creating, obviously write up your content. I would highly recommend doing like a Google document or like a Microsoft document of like doing like page 1 is going to be this, page 2 is going to be this, page 3, page 4, page 5, etc., etc. Have the content written out for you, and, you know, make sure it's all written out for you. I'm just going to put that there. Next thing that you want to do is you want to find some like creative or design application. Now, you can either create your own ebook yourself. Now, I'm going to show you how I did it. Like I told you before, I'm going to show you the easiest way that you can do this and the nicest, I would suggest. Now, you can go into canva.com. I love Canva. I literally use Canva for all of my creatives and everything that I literally do. And you can type in ebook, ebook cover, ebook, whatever. Now, I'm going to just pull this up for you. Now, this is just an example of what I did. I'm not the best designer out there, but I just want to briefly show you kind of like, this was just like a creative of when I announced it on my Instagram, so just don't mind that. I'm going to just like add a page to this. So right here, there is something, obviously there's ebook cover here on Canva. Now there's different types of, you know, creatives that you can go ahead and choose from. There's different types of templates. This is obviously something that I love that Canva has available for you guys. There's different types of templates on here depending on whatever it is that you're looking to do. I'm sure if you go up here and you do like business, they'll show you like business related stuff. So there's so many options and so many different types of templates on there that are made available for you. Now, whenever you find whatever template or whatever it is that you love, go ahead and start designing and, you know, adding text and adding different pages and doing all of that stuff within here, adding everything that you already written out within your Word document or Microsoft or whatever it is. So transfer that all over to here. Now, once you're finished with all of your pages and you transfer all that information and you make it nice and you design it the way that you want, what you can then do is you can go ahead and you can save it, you can download it, you can, you know, obviously download all your pages so that you have it stored, and you can either, you know, leave it like that and then push it out to the marketplace however you want, or what I would highly suggest, and this is exactly why I'm creating this. When you see this little image right here, I'm going to just go ahead and delete all of this so this is not distracting you. This little image, you can't really make that here on Canva. This is something that I actually paid to get done, and I paid to get like a kind of like covered image so that it looks like this, nice and, you know, presentable like this. Another thing is that when you save your ebook, or if you want to share your ebook through Canva, it gives you like a link that you can share, but it's not something that I want to do because I think it actually takes the person who clicks on your link to this Canva application, and that's something that I did not want. I wanted it solely to just be something shared with my following, or when they do purchase my ebook, they're able to just see the ebook and that's just it. You know what I mean? It's just the ebooks, it's the pages, it's the content, and I don't want them taken to my Canva account. I don't want them taken to my like a Canva profile or any of that. So like I said, especially if you're going to be selling like a digital product like this, you want things that are going to be presentable and something that you can actually boast and have images of. And like I said, you cannot have a 3D image like effect like this designed on Canva. So like I said, once you finish designing your entire ebook and you create your pages and you create, you know, all of that stuff, once all that's finished, what you want to do is you want to download all those pages so that you have it. And the next thing that you want to do is you want to head over to Fiverr. I've talked to you guys about Fiverr many times. I use Fiverr for a lot of the things that I design, whether it's my business cards, whether it is like a short little 10-second promo video, whether it is logos, everything that you can think of. Jonathan and I have used Fiverr for everything. There's so many great designers and creatives here on this platform that are from different countries that literally you can outsource or you can just hire for a very, very cheap cost, as you can see here on the homepage. I mean, there's different things on here for just $10, $5. So that's exactly what I'm gonna, you know, suggest you guys do. So once you finish downloading all of your content pieces that are gonna be, you know, within your ebook, what you want to do is you want to go to Find Services and do ebook design or ebook cover design. So my ebook design, there's different people. Obviously, there's going to be some that are expensive because these are like high quality pieces, and you can find some that are cheaper that still do great work, or people who can obviously write an ebook for you, and that's obviously the people who charge very, very like a lot of money because obviously they're doing all the work for you. Now, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go back. So this is just what you would do. You're going to type in whatever service you want. You can look through here. You can find whatever person suits whatever it is that you're looking for, and then click them and then purchase the service. So I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to reword this, and I'm going to do ebook cover design. And let's see. Let's go ahead and go back to the homepage because I think I saw somebody that I think we used. I think we used this person. So you guys can use him too. I'm going to shout him out within this video for you guys. It's literally $10. It's so cheap. Now, I will redesign your current ebook, textbook, whatever. So the good thing about this is once you find, you know, a seller on Fiverr, you can actually see their work and you can see what they're able to do for you, how they're able to look at how nice that is, like a 3D stand up. They obviously have different options that you can choose from, whatever it is that you want. And then he has the basic, he has standard, and then he has the premium, which is $30, which is still not bad at all. So this ebook here, all it is the cover. He also does the pages for you, and obviously that's depending on, like I said, whatever it is that you want, whether it's the basic, standard, or premium package. So you can go ahead and check out whatever each package entails and lists out. When I did it, I know I think I paid for the premium one only because not only did I want the like 3D covered effects like I showed you, like how I wanted the ebook cover to be stood up and like 3D and stuff like that. I also wanted him to actually design all of my pages and like put them all into one. And that obviously what I did is once you actually purchase this, you can send him and upload that download thing that you purchase, or that you not purchase, but that you download from Canva, and you can just upload it in here because whenever you purchase like any type of service through Canva, it asks you what's the title, or it asks you like questions. There's questions that the seller will ask you that he needs, whether it's your brand colors, whether it's like little images or logos that's needed, and you can just upload and you can do that all within there, all within the questionnaire that the seller that you end up choosing and purchasing the service from asks of you. And like I said, whatever you had downloaded through Canva, you can just upload within the questionnaire as well, so that he already has all those sheets and he can just put them, you know, within there. Now, Canva was an option for you to download that from. There are some people here that you can literally just type out the information and you can send them the information once you purchase the service, and then they can go ahead and transfer all that into sheets, digital sheets, and the ebook for you. Like I said, they can create it all for you. All you do is supply them with all the information, like all the content that's within it, and they'll create it for you. And the great thing about Fiverr and like the sellers is that even though you purchase it up front before the service is actually rendered, what happens is they'll send you copies. Like once they finish, they'll send you copies and like drafts, and then you can review it, and then you can go ahead and tell them, hey, like you want some tweaks here, or no, I actually don't like that, let's change it up a bit. And then you can work with them until you actually finally like it, until you finally, you know, finalize the final copy. And then once all that is done, they will go ahead and remove, you know, their like watermark, because obviously they don't want you to run off with their work until it's finalized. They'll remove the watermark off of their work and then send you the finalized copy in different, you know, formats, whether it's PNG, whether it's like JPEG, PDF, like transparent wise, anything that it is you want, they'll send you different formats for you so that it works with whatever it is that you're planning to do afterwards. Now, the last and final thing, once you obviously finalize your ebook and it's all finished, whatever you want to do next is obviously like selling wise. Now I'm going to just recommend this to you guys and what I did. I'm not going to sit here and tell you how to create this, but we use the service like we use for all of our stuff, like all of our sales funnels, the software ClickFunnels. Now I have a link down below for you guys if you guys want to purchase a subscription down below. It is an affiliate link, but ClickFunnels is great for all of my marketers or anyone who's looking to start an agency and work with sales funnels or just, you know, do paid advertising. This is a great software for all of that, or even to create a website, a page, because literally this is exactly what I did. I created like a funnel, basically like a website for my thing. I have my domain that I purchased through GoDaddy, and I linked the domain onto this page. I created it, and this is exactly what it looks like when you click on, you know, my domain to get my ebook. It says exactly this. This is my ebook that I did. Yes, I want it. I have like a little video. It's not showing because I have it on preview method, but it's a YouTube video just basically explaining what's like the content within my within my ebook. I have the points that I discuss within this ebook, and then I have, you know, get my ebook now. And then once they click on it, it actually takes you to like an opt-in page, and then the checkout process, and then a thank you page, and so forth and so on, like that. So again, you can actually create all this so that you can go ahead and market and sell your ebook through ClickFunnels. And again, I'm just going to leave it here. I don't want to make this video too long because I feel like I'm just rambling on about this. But if you guys do want to play around with ClickFunnels, I think they do like a 2-week free trial, like 14 days of free trial, which is great and neat so that you guys can see how it works, see if you guys actually like it. And then if you guys do, then you can go ahead and go on to the, you know, normal subscription, the monthly subscription, and use it for not only yourself, but clients as well. So that actually completes this video. I hope that I hit the point and was able to explain to my best ability how I was able to create my ebook and how you guys can actually create yours. And it was very helpful and, like I said, valuable to you. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, as well as give me a subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already for more content just like this, as well as comment down below what you guys would like to see next from me. And as always, thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my videos. I appreciate you all, and I will see you guys on Friday. Take care.